Well, hello and welcome to Making Decisions with Mind Maps. Now, as I'm sure you're well aware, in business as well as in other parts of life, it's very helpful, even essential, to be able to solve problems efficiently and accurately. And in order to help you do this, there are already a vast number of tools, models, books, and videos aimed at effective decision making and problem solving. And in this course, we're going to use some established problem solving and decision making models, and we're going to combine those with mind mapping to help you analyze, document, brainstorm possible solutions, and ultimately solve the problems you come across day to day. Now, these lessons are aimed mostly at the small to medium sized business owner, group administrator, or anybody else that has some form of problem to overcome and wants to overcome that problem in a disciplined, methodical manner, but without getting too deep into the theoretical business science and all the MBA jargon. So that's what we're going to do in the following lessons, in which case, let's not waste any of your time. Let's move right into lesson number 1. And as always, thank you for your time.